Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of Insider Financial Talks Penny Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today. I'm the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and today we're going to be discussing ELEK, PPCB, PSWW, MTRT, VBHI, SIRC, ILUS, TRVI, and ENSV. But before we get into that, we have a few housekeeping issues to go over. We have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this video. Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors, and this video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion, is meant for informational and educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at insiderfinancial.com/disclaimer. With that out of the way, remember to smash the thumbs up button if you like this video. Also hit the red subscribe button and little notification bell to be notified when we go live with a new video. Also go over to signup.insiderfinancial.com. This is where subscribers get first look at stocks we're covering. These are day and swing trade, short-term momentum penny stock alerts to help you maximize your gains. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. It works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 0. It will not work. And since we release all our profiles at the opening bell, text messages are the fastest way to get our alerts. This way you get a jump on the market. You can also click the red download ebook to get the free Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks ebook. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging service are all free services from InsiderFinancial.com. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever. With that out of the way, let's dive in here, folks. Good day on the OTC markets. 2,413 advancers to just 1,898 decliners on $2.5 billion in trading volume. What I really like is ELEK was a 300% gainer. These are the types of moves that we need to light up the OTC. When you're getting triple-digit runners like ELEK and PPCB, this gets everyone excited and markets start moving. You know, a lot of people in this bear market, they've abandoned the OTC, they've given up, which is a huge mistake. As I've said in this video and in my articles, the OTC markets in a given year sees more bull and bear markets than any other market that traders can trade. It is a boom bust, but the key is playing momentum. Always be booking profits. Don't fall in love with any play, and it's all about the P&L. You need to be focused on the make money game. ELEK, what's happening here is this: they just announced, they put out a PR, they ordered their first electric vehicle, going to be known as Electrosonic. So this is an EV play. Then they're launching their first electric vehicle. So they're going to be built, or they're ordering from China, which is where it will be built, and they'll be marketing here in the US. This one was a big runner back in November. You can see the chart here. We had a tremendous spike on the news that Miami billionaire Dr. Michael Dezer, he became one of the biggest shareholders in Electros Inc., ELEK. The company is based in Sunny Isles, ELEK. That's for Dr. Dezer. He is well known there with Dezer Properties. He is Mr. Sunny Isles Beach, built most of the big high-rises there. He's also got the Trump properties there, which Dr. Dezer was the financier, and he just used Trump's name for marketing. So again, this is a big deal. Dr. Dezer is a billionaire, and he's one of the biggest names in South Florida. So exciting things there happening with ELEK. And again, as I've said, a lot of these OTC CEOs, they've been holding back press releases. I think this is one that was held back, and you know, you can see the the result, what can happen when some of these press releases start dropping. Huge volume, just a tremendous day, and I wouldn't be chasing it here. You know, buy dips, sell rips. If you caught this move, you know, you had plenty of opportunities here where it based out all year, and you got this 300% move here. Be booking profits here, and then if you like ELEK, look to buy on the dip. PPCB up 114%. Big news out. They have their cancer stem cell technology offers renewed hope to achieve a total victory against metastatic cancer. Again, this is a huge PR, another example of a PR being held back, being put out, and this is getting the market excited. So 114% gainer in PPCB. Next up is PSWW, rounding bottom, nice move here. This one over the past couple of days up 129%. If you look, it's trading at just 3 cents. They raised $8.65 million at 0.0895 per share. So they raised money at a higher price. It shows you the excitement that the market has for it. This is just a $6 million market cap. As the CEO said, we view the success of a Reg A Plus offering as further validation of our business model and proof positive that investors see real upside potential in funding practical near-term solutions to today's transitional energy challenges. So again, great PR here, and nice move up here on PSWW. Next up is MTRT. Been talking about this one a lot on this channel. This has been a big runner in February. Guys, buy dips, sell rips. We got a great dip opportunity today. Dip below $5. Smart investors came in and bought the dip. Closed up 30% on the day. For those of you that don't know, this is merged with Medium, which is a major South Korean blockchain play. MTRT, we expect big news and big announcements. And you look at this chart, it's just been a great trader. Buy low, sell high. Again, don't fall in love, guys. Just play these momentum plays and book profits along the way. I cannot stress this enough. Next up is VBHI. This one's up over 50% over the past 5 days. Really based here at 0.008. It's an oil and gas play with just a $12 million market cap. They put out a nice update last month. With current oil and gas conditions, price of oil approaching $100, our shareholders should know 2 things that are occurring. We have recently seen 6 permits on our oil properties and 2 on our natural gas properties. Shortages and higher prices are also happening in the natural gas sector. He's 100% correct there. Higher prices mean more revenue for VBHI and its investors. Also, as mineral and royalty owners, these revenues do not require any additional investment for VBHI. We're very diligent about buying most of our properties based on low oil and gas prices, thus VBHI reaping the benefits of these rising prices. We have announced 1 new acquisition in the oil and gas sector recently, our 17th news release about purchases made, and we continue to evaluate other potential strategic acquisitions to expand our portfolios. So this is a QB, the highest rating. Well, QX is the highest rating, but QB is the next tier. But QBs are the ones you want to own. And again, this one is just delivering. So congrats all in VBHI that got the dip. SIRC up 13%, backed off the highs. But again, this is going to be an EV charging play. Been talking about this one on insiderfinancial.com a lot. EV charging is going to be a huge industry, as you know, everyone's focused on the cars itself. I think EV charging is a bigger opportunity, and you know, the company announced On the first, a strategic shift to prioritizing its $30 million electric vehicle charging project pipeline and $20.2 million EV charging project backlog. There's just an enormous short-term and long-term revenue opportunity, and the company is going to be rebranded to Solar EV. So we really like what this company is doing, and this one is definitely one you want to keep on your radar screen. Next up is ILUS. Talked about this one yesterday on the channel. This is just a quality OTC company, and to prove, they put out an update today. ILUS, we are gearing up for what's ahead and preparing to move into our new Dubai offices, which can accommodate up to 75 staff in sales, marketing, finance, operations, and admin. For our shareholders, there's a quick walkthrough, great video here. And I like what Jigman said here. That doesn't look like a penny stock office to me, and that's only one office. So definitely this is one company, ILUS, that you need to pay attention to. But again, buy dips, sell rips. Look at this chart, just tremendous opportunities for investors if you're playing that game. Next up is two NASDAQ plays. Well, ENSV is NYSE, TRVI NASDAQ. Just great runners. TRVI put out the news last month, and we're seeing continuation here. Had trendline support right at the 50-cent level. It's a triple off of there in just 4 days. And ENSV has been a nice runner off the same. Guys, no news on ESNV, as I said in the channel yesterday. What's going on? These are, chat room and Discord pumps. It's all about playing the pump. We monitor, all of these groups, so you don't have to. That's why it's so important to be a subscriber at signup.insiderfinancial.com. We let you know what's going on in the markets. These are subscriber-only benefits, so that's why it's so important to go over to signup.insiderfinancial.com so that you can get in on these types of plays. With that being said, I want to wish everyone a great trading day on Thursday, and I'll be coming live to you after the bell with a new video. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.